It was 2.5 years ago when we were at the height of this thing called the pandemic. Every day you were hit with new challenges, not only on how to survive as a family unit, but as an organization of how to survive as well. It was during this time that we said the only way we will get through this is by putting others first. Something so simple to say, pretty difficult to do. But it became a mantra and a movement within the walls here at Joe Bullard. We had this crazy idea a couple of months in, after others first was being said over and over and over again. What if we sold a Joe Bullard Automotive hat and all proceeds would go to help the needs in and around our community? From house fires to adoption funds, there were a lot of people going through a lot worse things than having to quarantine at home or to social distance. Fast forward 2 years later, and we sold over 5,000 Others First shirts and over 1,000 hats, with all of the proceeds going to the needs in and around our community. And so we are ecstatic to announce that Others First is now a nonprofit organization. What started as a simple saying, a simple mantra, then a movement, and then now a nonprofit organization that's reaching people in and outside of Joe Bullard, its customers, and the community around us. We hope you'll join us on this journey. Feel free to see our merchandise at othersfirstmerch.com or stop by any location. We will be more than happy to help you. So as we celebrate National Nonprofit Day, if it's not Others First that you support, we encourage you to support another nonprofit that's making good happen.